All right, so AVAX, kind of like Matic, is pretty hot. I mean, this is outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin, both those. So AVAX and Matic are hot, and they're, AVAX is right at the top of its micro trading channel, which you can see behind me here, and its weekly 10, which is kind of a bear market rally target. But since Bitcoin's weekly 10 is way up at 24,700 and it's not there yet, if Bitcoin were to hit its weekly 10, AVAX is going to go decently above it, and it's going to break out of this micro trading channel that you can see behind me. So let's dive in and start looking at the anatomy of this AVAX pump here. All right, so again, this trading channel, I have it on the 30-minute chart. It dates back from when Bitcoin slammed down to 17.5, kind of starts around the middle of June 30th. And it's not a long-term channel, but it's a micro trading channel. And the weekly 10 of AVAX, which is a common bear market rally target, it's coming in right at the top. I would honestly suspect it's going to wick above it, and $28 would be my next target. It is $28. What am I saying? It's going to reverse there? No. However, I am saying a mixture of two things. It does look like it's going to be attracted to it. So listen to what I'm saying. It looks like it's going to be attracted to it. And B, it looks like it'll probably pull back from there. I'm not saying reverse from there and dump, but it looks like it'll go. It looks like, just imagine somebody jumping on a trampoline, trying to reach for something that a friend has held up really high. Like you're getting really close to it. As you reach up, you get so close, right? But then you go straight back down, not straight back down, but you make a higher low and you bounce again, right? You can bounce again after you go hit the trampoline. But it looks like it's going to be attracted to that area and bump its head on it to make a higher low before then busting out. Does that make sense? So I'm not saying reversal here. I'm not saying 100x short there. Rather, that is an area of interest for those reasons, and that's how I'm trying to show you how I visualize it. Because it often does really work out that way. So it looks like it's going to wick above its weekly 10 up to here. Now, if it does hit that and pulls back and makes a higher low and keeps its structure and Bitcoin keeps going, its next pit stop area of interest is going to be in the 30s. It's this origin line here. And this origin line goes back to the beginning of its time. And I can zoom out to show you what that blue line is. That's really, let me put on the daily 89 as well. Yep, that is right at the daily 89. So daily 89 is like your second, it's your little higher, more aggressive bear market target. And so your next area of interest is $32. And so that's an origin line and a major EMA, which that EMA is like the bear market rally target. So the weekly 10 and the daily 89, I'm telling you, you should not forget that information in the bear market. Traditional markets and crypto and Bitcoin, that's where the target is on a it's a pretty strong bear market rally, I'm not going to lie. But it happens, and that's the target, those two things. Weekly 10, daily 89, bear market rallies. Lock that into your head forever. Because it's likely not going to change. It's probably not going to change in your lifetime. It's probably going to be that way. It'll probably be like that way for the rest of your life. Yeah, I would say. So it's good to remember. And that's what I can see. So $28 and what did I say? $32. Those would be my areas of interest. And again, I'm not calling for reversals at those two levels. Rather, I can see price getting attracted to there and pulling back. $32. Okay, that's got a good chance to be a reversal point. But all right, so now let's take a look at this origin line here, this blue origin line. Zoom out so we can see the significance. I'll go to the daily chart on AVAX. Oh, I didn't clean up my object tree, so I can't flash on and off my my trading channel. So this is going to look a little sloppy. But yeah, this origin line has never been hit before, so it's not super significant. So we're just going to dive into there, maybe to the 2-hour chart. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of interact. Uh-oh, that just got corroded. Oh, good, it went back. Awesome. Yeah, this blue line's not. It got a lot of resistance areas here, so that's about all prices played with it. So it's not extremely significant, but it's significant enough in being supplemented or complemented by the daily 89, that it could have the effect of drawing price up into it and then rejecting it to some degree there. And that's what we got for AVAX. So I would definitely keep those two levels on my radar, and I just showed you all the reasons why. And if you want to, just remember that this trading channel, if you want to like pause this video, which I am recording it, so this will be uploaded to YouTube if you want to go back and see how I did this. Even though it looks like it's going to break out of it soon, but it goes back to the middle of June. This is the weekly 10 is red, and this is the daily 89. And these two, I'm only on the 2-hour chart. Hell, I could go to the 1 hour if I wanted, but I'm using the MTF indicator right here to have those larger EMAs on as I'm on the 2-hour chart. And it's literally called, so you can see the indicator there, MTF EMA. Right? And that's honestly, this is all you need right now. Are those three things: weekly 10, daily 89, and this little trading channel, and you're going to be set to go. And it'll give you the lines between which you would want to draw, and it gives you a great guide, and that's AVAX.